Find the coin mechanism inside the door. The coin mechanism may be mounted differently based on your machine. However, if it is the same model of coin mechanism, troubleshooting is the same. A flashing DIS light indicates a possible obstruction in the coin discriminator, seen here behind the coin channel cover. Open the cover, check for coin jams, obstruction, or other debris. Remove obstruction and close the cover. To resolve or prevent jams in other parts of your coin mechanism, put your finger on the coin funnel to open the acceptor gate and clean inside here. To open the coin cassette, push down on the white finger tab. Make sure the white slider is in the cassette and not lodged in the bottom of the coin mechanism. If this does not clear the jam, you may need to take the upper portion, or the coin discriminator, out of the coin mechanism to examine for other jams.
The yellow flashing light indicates an issue in the lower portion. To resolve, remove the cassette and ensure the payout slide is in place. With the cassette out, press the letter A, then B, then C, then D, then E. If the ejector motors are still running, press E again. Reinsert the cassette and then power the machine off and on again. If the amber light is solid, you are good to proceed. If the amber light is still blinking, you will need to replace the coin mech.